Taking your first solo flight is exciting. It opens up a world of possibilities. Let's turn that nervous energy into an adventure. The first step? Choosing your destination. Dream big, beach in Spain, mountains in Nepal, go where your heart leads you. Next, find a flight. Websites and apps make this easy. Enter your dates and watch the options appear. Don't feel overwhelmed. Look for a direct flight if possible. It simplifies things, especially for your first time. Remember, less is more when you travel solo. Once you've booked your flight, relax. You've taken the first big step. Now for the fun part. Imagining yourself in your chosen destination. Picture yourself enjoying new experiences and meeting new people. This is your adventure. Embrace the excitement. You're about to embark on a journey that will stay with you forever. Remember, every seasoned traveler was once a beginner, and look at them now, exploring the world, one adventure at a time. Packing for your first solo trip can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Think about the essentials. Comfortable clothes, toiletries, any medications you need. A good book or travel journal is always a great idea. Remember, less is more. You'll be surprised how little you actually need. Pack, then unpack and remove a few things. A lighter bag means easier travel, especially if you're navigating stairs or public transportation. Lay out your clothes and essentials. Now, pack half the clothes and double the money. It's an old traveler's adage, but it holds true. You can always buy things you need at your destination. Pack a small bag within your main bag for day trips. This keeps things organized. Place a copy of your passport and important documents in a separate, secure pocket. This is just in case your main bag goes astray. It happens. Arriving at the airport can feel like entering a new world, but it's simpler than it looks. Give yourself plenty of time. 3 hours before your flight is a good rule of thumb. This allows for any unexpected delays. Check-in is your first stop. You can usually do this online beforehand, but it's good to know where the airline counter is located. Once you've checked your bag and received your boarding pass, you're free to navigate the security checkpoint. Security might seem intimidating, but it's all about keeping everyone safe. Follow the instructions of the airport staff and you'll be through in no time. Have your boarding pass and ID ready, remove your shoes and electronics and place them in the bins provided. After security, you're in the departure lounge. Find your gate. It's clearly marked on your boarding pass. This is a great time to relax, grab a snack or browse the shops. Listen for announcements. They'll tell you when it's time to board. Boarding a plane for the first time can be a little nerve-wracking, but it's all part of the adventure. Listen for your boarding group to be called. Once on board, find your seat and settle in. Stow your carry-on bag in the overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. Takeoff can be exciting. Feel free to ask the friendly flight attendants any questions you have. They are there to help you. Once you're at cruising altitude, you can relax, read a book, watch a movie, or simply enjoy the view. Hydration is important on flights. Drink plenty of water. The air inside planes can be dry. Having a small snack on hand is never a bad idea either. It's amazing how a little treat can make the journey even more enjoyable. Remember, you're in good hands. The pilots and crew are professionals who ensure a safe and comfortable flight. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Congratulations! You've completed your first solo flight. As you disembark the plane, take a moment to appreciate your accomplishment. Now the real adventure begins. Follow the signs for baggage claim. This is where you'll collect your checked bag. Keep an eye out for your flight number on the screens to know which carousel to go to. Once you've got your bag, you're ready to explore your destination. Most airports offer various transportation options into the city center. You can take a taxi, bus, or train. If you're feeling adventurous, you could even rent a car. Before you leave the airport, be sure to have a plan for getting to your accommodation. Having a map or using a navigation app on your phone can be helpful. Most importantly, don't be afraid to ask for directions if you need them. Remember, every solo traveler was once a beginner. Embrace the unknown, be open to new experiences, and most importantly, have fun. The world is waiting to be explored one adventure at a time.